In the previous class, we learnt about natural indicators. In this video, we are going to learn about artificial indicators or chemical indicators. And one is artificial or synthetic indicators. So, what are the synthetic indicators? So, synthetic indicators are manufactured or prepared by chemical substances. So, made by chemical substances. So synthetic indicators are made by chemical substances. There is two major synthetic or chemical or artificial. You can call them anyway. You can call them as a artificial indicators or chemical indicators or synthetic indicators. So mainly there is two synthetic indicators. They are methyl orange and phenolphthalein solution. So these two are chemical indicators or synthetic indicators. Methyl orange changes its color. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about how that methyl orange act as indicator. So methyl orange actually orange in color, but it changes its color to pink when it is acid and to yellow when it is alkaline, means base. So it is the methyl orange solution bottle used in the laboratory. So actually the color of methyl orange, look here, it is orange in color. It is orange in color. Now I am taking dilute H2SO4. I said concentrated H2SO4 and dilute H2SO4. So we taken dilute H2SO4 in a test tube. Now take a dropper and take few drops of methyl orange solution and pour in the test tube containing sulfuric acid H2SO4. Now observe it. Look at here. The color changes. The indicator color actually orange, it changes into pink. So when the methyl orange changes into pink color, it indicates the given solution is a acid. So methyl orange change its color into pink when we added in the acidic solution. Look at here carefully. Now we are going to test bases. I am going to take dilute NaOH, not concentrated, it is dilute NaOH in a test tube. Now take dropper with methyl orange solution. So it is a orange in color, observe it carefully. So when I add methyl orange into the test tube and well observe the change of the color to the yellow, look at here, the solution turning yellow. So it indicates the presence of the bases. So methyl orange turns into yellow because it is base. From these two experiments you can conclude methyl orange turns into pink color in acid and turns into yellow color in bases. So the given sample is base, that is sodium hydroxide. Observe carefully. So it is yellow in color. Okay, are you sure? Yes. I am bringing two samples. Look at here, these are effects of methyl orange in acid and alkali, means alkalic base. So dilute H2S4 means acid react with methyl orange and changes its color pink. And we can conclude from second observation, NaOH is the alkali base. When I mix it with the methyl orange, it turns into yellow color. Phenolphthalein solution. Look at here. If you take any liquid form or powder form phenolphthalein indicator, if you add the phenolphthalein in given sample, first I am adding some phenolphthalein in first sample. So when I mix it, it turns into pink color. It's very beautiful. It turns into pink color. So when phenolphthalein indicator added to given sample, if it changes into pink color, the given sample is base. So we can conclude the first sample is base because it's turned to pink. Now I am adding phenolphthalein indicator in sample 2 and mix well. Even we mix well, there is no change in color because it is acid. So phenolphthalein indicator does not show any change in color when we add it in the acidic solution.